Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things finance and investing. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 7 rules of investment followed by the legendary investor Warren Buffett. If you're looking to improve your investment strategy, stay tuned. Warren Buffett is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time. He has a net worth of over $100 billion and has made most of his wealth through investing. So, what are the 7 rules of investment that he follows? Rule number 1. Invest in what you understand. Buffett recommends investing in companies and industries that you understand well. This can help you make better investment decisions and avoid unnecessary risk. Rule number 2. Invest for the long term. Buffett believes in holding investments for the long term, rather than trying to make quick profits. He recommends investing in companies with strong fundamentals that are likely to grow over time. Rule number 3. Look for a company with a competitive advantage. Buffett recommends investing in companies that have a competitive advantage, such as a strong brand or a unique product or service. This can help them stay ahead of the competition and maintain profitability over time. Rule number 4. Buy when prices are low. Believes in buying investments when they are undervalued or on sale. This can provide a margin of safety and increase the potential for long-term gains. Rule number 5. Don't try to time the market. Buffett warns against trying to time the market or predicting when prices will rise or fall. Instead, he recommends focusing on the fundamentals of the companies you invest in. Rule number 6. Diversify your portfolio. Buffett recommends diversifying your investments across different companies, industries, and asset classes. This can help reduce risk and increase the potential for long-term gains. Rule number 7. Be patient and disciplined. Buffett recommends diversifying your investments across different companies, industries, and asset classes. He recommends sticking to a long-term investment strategy and avoiding impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. So, there you have it, the 7 rules of investment followed by Warren Buffett. If you're looking to improve your investment strategy, these rules can be a great place to start.